Today I bring for you very different video. I want to share my experience because currently I'm here in Cambodia, and in Cambodia is not my setup. Actually my real setup is in Thailand. So since I'm here almost 2 months, I want to share with you because a lot of people they ask me how much I earn, and of course you guys can want to know how much I earn and how I make videos and what kind of tools I use. Actually I never tell this kind of thing before. I never tell what kind of things I'm using for. The thing is, if you want, wherever you are and you want to make a YouTube video, there's no excuse. If you have a passion, no matter wherever you are, no matter what kind of condition, no matter what kind of camera you have, you just need a passion, a good idea, and you can make a YouTube video anywhere. Currently how much I earn, I'm going to tell you after this in this video how much I earn actually on my YouTube channel every month. And the second thing is in what kind of atmosphere I'm making video is not a much comfortable currently now, because this is not my setup here. My real setup is in Thailand. So currently I'm here for some work also. So since 2 months I'm living here, and here is not my setup, but still in that condition I'm continuously making a video, and there's no excuse about a big camera. There's no big light, just you can see the simple lights I'm using for all my videos since 2 months, and there's nothing big setup. And I want to tell you in this simple setup what I am doing and how much I am earning money, and you can do it actually, and everyone can do it. So that's the purpose. I was thinking, I was just sitting, I was thinking why not share my equipment, my style of videos of my YouTube channel, how I'm running it without a big setup. There's a lot of videos what camera for making a YouTube videos. There's a lot of videos people that make YouTube studios or their workstation, and they're showing up very beautiful nice places, but there's not my side. There's nothing about that. It's 70%, 80% people maybe can agree with my way, because I want to motivate you guys that no matter wherever you are, you have a just small room, you can make a YouTube videos. You don't need to have a big studio, you don't need to have a high-class cameras or lighting or something. Even I stay alone, I shoot myself, I edit myself, I make a videos, and I get ideas myself and get information. Everything I do alone, one and only. And the main thing is, after all that thing I do it, what I earn actually, how much. Of course the YouTube, people earn money also nowadays, everyone know how much I earn. So these videos, the main, you can know what is my setup and what is my earning on YouTube. So next video you will see. Hi guys, today I want to show you how I make videos. Many people they have a big question like what kind of things we need to make a video, what kind of cameras, what kind of lights, what kind of table, and lot of stuff before starting a YouTube channel. But I want to show you, if you know really how to work, you can earn a lot of money, more than me actually, and more than YouTuber, but just need a proper idea and the work. I work just like that. I put it here. This is a table. Sometimes I eat here also. This is nothing. This is just a stool. If you have small stool or table, it's much better, but this is not much better because these are not balanced. I put it one white sheet here, you can see, and here is small stand. I just put it here just like that, and fix one small mobile. Any mobile must to have. This is Samsung Galaxy S7. Just put it here, fix it, and here exactly. Now you can see as my videos here, for example, this is now your mobile on the stand, exactly like this. You can see the background is here, and now when you're going to make video, exactly everything is here, and you can present and you can show. Now you can't see anything, right? It's exactly, you don't know what is the background, but actually the background is nothing special. These sofas are very dirty and just nothing special. You can see There's no high-class table, there's no high-class lighting. Just you can put some light on the top also if you want. This is just daylight come from the windows. And my point is, how much I earn in 1 month is I can't tell you exact amount because of privacy. So I can tell you exactly in 1 month I can buy, for my 1 month YouTube income estimate, around I can buy 3 iPhone X in 1 month earning. So you can guess yourself, you can get an idea how much it can be. Okay, so this is only the setup is this. You should to have the right idea, you should to have the right way to do work. Like now when I make video just like this, you can't feel anything. I focus on the app, I can focus. Here's the camera adjustment, that's all. So now I can focus on the mobile and whatever I'm showing you, anything, this part, right? And you can see everything is very clear. But behind the scene, no need of fancy tables. I don't have it. I can make it, but now I'm in travel, and within travel since 2 months I'm here, and I have my own setup also, but I'm telling you the possibilities. Since 2 months, almost 2 months, I'm making video in the same condition. And in the start I was thinking like, okay, but still everything is fine, nothing special. There's a bed and there's outside. I open the door, there's a much light here. So that's all. There's a big table, even I don't use it because outside is too noisy, so sometimes I'm not feel comfortable. But actually we need a table only. So you can put any sheet, white color or black, whatever you like for a good background, and you can make a product review or whatever. So the point is, you don't need it. A lot of expensive equipment, a lot of expensive things to make a nice videos. You just need a basic setup, something less than that even. But the main thing is your idea. You have will to work, you have hard work, you have a passion to work. That thing is very important. Rather than many people, they just want to make a setup, nice lighting, nice studio, nice camera. Everything is very expensive. In the last, they don't know what to make. They don't know how to make a video. They don't know what topic they have to make a video. So that's the main thing. I hope you like and you understand the point is, who want to work, they can work in the same condition or less than that. Who don't want to work, there's a lot of excuses. So I earn a lot of money and good income, very satisfied from only this setup. That's all. You need just like 1 square meter place, table. You can put your mobile or whatever stuff you want to make a review or something. That's how I do it. That is the secret. That is behind the scene. Thousands dollar business work story. You can see a lot of beautiful studios and people, they show lighting, this, that. But this is something I'm showing you, I think nobody shows, and even people try to hide this kind of things. But I have nothing to shame. I have to tell, I have to give encourage. I want to make people, I want to give a motivation to you guys that your weaknesses is nothing when you have will to do something. So that's it. This sofa is not even comfortable to sit long time. You can see yourself. This is not even balanced. This is not even balanced. And I sit here sometime only for 30 minutes, 25 minutes. You can see everything is messy. And I do it. Thank you. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. I want to add, and with the same setup, I get a free stuff from different companies. I get a free mobiles. I get a free electronic gadgets. Plus, I earn a good money. Second, I have a lot of free stuff on the way that I make a review. So my point is what is this special here? Nothing, right? So you can think yourself. and let's start rather than only think and make an excuse.